In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data from an HTML table. If you've ever found a table on a website and wanted to bring that information into Google Sheets without copying and pasting everything manually, this is a quick and very useful method. Google Sheets has a built-in function that can pull table data directly from a web page, which can save you a lot of time and help keep your spreadsheet organized. To get started, first copy the web page address that contains the table you want to import. Make sure you are on the exact page where the table appears, then copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. This link is what Google Sheets will use to locate the table and bring the data into your spreadsheet. Next, open Google Sheets and click on an empty cell. It's important to choose a blank area because the imported table may fill several rows and columns. If here is already data in the way, the import may not display properly. Picking an empty starting point gives the table enough room to expand automatically. Now type the formula, equals IMPORTHTML. Then open parentheses. Add the web page URL in quotation marks, followed by a comma. Then the word table in quotation marks, another comma. And finally, the number 1. The full formula should look like this, equals IMPORTHTML, open parenthesis. Quote. URL, quote. Comma, quote. Table, quote. Comma, 1. Close parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets to look at the web page, find a table, and import the first one it detects. If the page contains more than one table, you may need to adjust that last number. For example, instead of 1, try 2 or 3 depending on which table you want to pull in. This number represents the order of the tables on the page, so changing it helps you target the correct one. Once the formula is ready, press Enter. Google Sheets will process the request and automatically populate the table data into your sheet, depending on the website and the size of the table. This may take a few seconds. If the data doesn't look right at first, double-check the URL and make sure you selected the correct table number. With just this simple formula, you can quickly bring web-based table data into Google Sheets and work with it more efficiently. Thanks for watching.